I'm sure every one of you have visited a bank before. You might be wondering that my father's account is in Kalvibit branch and he is able to draw the money from Goga Circle, from Sardar Nagar, from Ahmedabad, from Mumbai, Delhi, everywhere where his ATM is working. Why so? Today we will discuss about a new topic called computer networking. Now, what is a networking? When the computers are interconnected with each other using wire or wireless, it is called a network. Even in the staff room, you might have noticed that there are 3 computers for the teachers. Suppose on a given day, if the first computer has been occupied by Venus ma'am, she has made half of the paper, and then by the time she goes for another period, and the same computer is been occupied by Edward sir. Now, after completing the period, when Venus ma'am comes back, she find that someone else is sitting on her computer, so she might get furious, and that lead to the fight between teachers. But it is not happening in our staff room in our campus. Why so? Because what we are teaching, we used to teach you that sharing is caring. The same thing we apply, the same thing we implement. That is, all our computers are shared. It means the work which I have done on first computer can be accessed from second, third, and from anywhere in the campus. Even sitting in Silver Bells, I can access my computer, my stuff. That is called networking. So there are different types of network. Let us start with the first network. Many of you are having the Wi-Fi connection or the Wi-Fi router at your place, and all your family members cell phones, tabs, laptops, desktops are connected through that Wi-Fi. So that is the personal area network, PAN, P-A-N, personal area network, which is the smallest in the category. Second is CAN, that is campus area network. So the example I gave just now for the school is campus area network. So inside the campus, all the buildings are able to access these files. That is CAN, campus area network. Third is LAN, local area network. Now this is bigger than the CAN. Why? Because it can cover a town, a small city like Bhavnagar. The geographical area of Bhavnagar is approximately 15 to 20 kilometers across. It means if someone wants to set up a network for Bhavnagar, it will be a LAN, local area network. Moving on further, now we are talking about big cities, the huge cities like we have 4 metro cities in our country: Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and Chennai. These cities are very big in size. 100 of kilometer approximate across they have the geographical area. So to cover these type of big city, MEN is required, metropolitan area network. And the last one, now imagine if someone wants to create a countrywide network like the bank network, the railway network, the government network, which is countrywide, even entire country is covered with it. Sometimes a network is required to cover a continent, or even the world level network is required. We call this as internet, that is international network. So here the category is called WAN, wide area network. So these are the types of network. I'll be giving you a PDF file in which all these notes are given. You need to write down these notes in your fair copy, and I'll make another video. See you soon. Thank you.